40 na ako. And doon ako sa part ng buhay ko na I wanna live life without any regrets. That's why, being here, I'm really, really, really grateful to all of you for loving me throughout the years. Thank you. I may not be your typical I'm the shortest of all. Love me still. Love you! But, sa pagkakataon nito, bigyan ko homage to amazing women in my life. These women, yung una, siya yung nagpalaki sa akin. Kaso may hangganan din yung laki niya. Kaya hanggang ganito lang din ako. Pero siya yung nagturo sa akin ng lahat. Yung mga bagay na alam ko, siya yung nagtanggol sa akin. At nung kailangan na niya akong i-let go, dahil tumatanda na ako, ginawa niya yun. Alam ko kay Kurot, humayang ka na naman. Patay ka nito. Pero, bukas ang loob. At yung pangalawang babae naman, ay tinatawag ko siyang Mixed Mommy Erin. Peace. Because she keeps me grounded. She gives me the critique I need to hear it. But she tells me if I'm doing such a good job. She lets me fly. She lets me believe I can do more. I'm already 40, but I feel like I'm just starting again. It's because of her support that I'm here. So, for Mother's Day, I'm celebrating my wife and my mama. Ano ba? Dapat sa iyo, Mother's Day. Oo na. So, here goes. Actually, to those of you who've seen my past concert Coming Ice, I'm sure kahit na umiyak ako. Mapapansin nyo, umiyak ako sa stage. I'll let you live on a secret. In real life, Nico, Mama, sa asawa ko, teka lang ha, usap-usap muna kayo. Happy Mother's Day. Of course, I love you. So, again, kagaya na sinasabi, bago may biglang sumulpot na mga tao sa gilid. In real life, my mom, my brother, my wife, my daughter, my friends know this. Hindi talaga ako ma-open up. I'm very guarded. I have a wall that's so hard to penetrate. Hindi mo malalaman pag may problema. Hindi mo malalaman kapag may pinagdadaanan ako. Pero na lang sasabihin ko sa'yo. But you know, for some weird reason, on stage, I'm so free. I think I feel so free to feel. I feel so free to express. Because I feel like when I'm here, you can ask me questions why I'm feeling this way. Nobody can judge. So, pasensya na kung minsan nadadala ako sa mga pinagdagaluhan ko dito sa entablado. Pero, siguro ito lang yung way for me to really release everything that's here. So yeah, just wanna say, Mama, my wife, to all the mothers here, to all the lolas, and to all the single dads. Sasabihin ko sana Merry Christmas. Sorry, Happy Mother's Day sa inyo.